What's up? I got a little life hack I'm gonna do because I want to make sure I put some sweet LEDs in the back of my main television, which is right over there.
Hello,
Excuse
friends.
me. Which, as you see, is right over there. Okay, which is gonna be replaced within the year because this is just a standard 70-inch 1080p monitor from Vizio, as you see. So what I'm thinking about doing is a little life hack for these situations here. What I'm planning on doing, because I don't feel like unmounting this whole thing, right, off the wall in order to access the back. So what I came up with was a hot glue gun. This is the one I'm using. This is a standard one you can get from Walmart. And it comes with this as well. What we're working with, which is what I want to show you now. Okay, so this is just a regular spacer. It's about a 1-inch spacer that would go to the back of your TV when you're hanging up the actual TV. So the bracket that comes with most wall mount brackets has a bunch of tools, and I just grabbed these, which there's 4 of them, and I'm gonna use this to actually put back here like this, and I'll have 4 in each side, and then I'll just wrap around the LEDs around that. So I think it's gonna work out pretty good. And what I'm gonna do is measure. I'll measure maybe 2 or 3 inches inward here, so the LEDs would just be wrapped around instead of having to go under here and then tape it up. The LEDs I'll be using will be these guys right here. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check them out. I've used these in the past. They're pretty damn good. One of the things I like about them is they're Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, whatever you want to call it. I believe it's Bluetooth. Let's see. So I think it's Bluetooth remote, even though it looks like a Wi-Fi signal. So you actually can utilize damn near every color in the RGB spectrum with an app. And the app that comes with it that you would want to download would be this guy right here, the Magic Home app. And you can set up, see I have desks set up and heights in 60-inch, and I can make them into a group. So this app is really cool because you can go in there and literally customize how you want the RGBs to look. So you get the full spectrum right there. You get the in-between colors. That's what I like about this a lot. So first thing I gotta do is heat up the actual glue gun. I'm gonna try to keep this video short and sweet. And this might help anybody else out who's thinking about doing this. One of the reasons why I say I'm doing this is because if I upgrade, I don't want to have the LED stuck on the back of the TV, then unstick them, and then I have that problem where the adhesive just doesn't work as well. So at least by kind of putting the LEDs around this, like 4 corners, and they're going to be sticking out anyways, it's going to give you a good light source, and it's just gonna look really good. So I'm gonna warm this up, put a glue stick in here, and we'll go from there. So in the box you get the power adapter. This is the AC power adapter. You also get the controller with the other end of the actual power cable. So this is very important as well, because with this you'll be able to actually access the different colors. Obviously the controller is one thing, but I prefer the app because you get a little bit more adjustability with the colors. The colors are going to be look a little bit more vibrant. You'll be able to make fine-tune adjustments with the colors. So that's why the controller is good, but I prefer the app anyways. Glue around it. All right, so one of the things I gotta do now is just wrap the LEDs around, which is gonna be simple because I have these things there. I don't even have to take the adhesive off of this. I think I might though. I might put the adhesive on, or I'll take some other 3-sided M tape, regardless, and I'll wrap it around the actual little knobs that I just put there, the little spacers, and then that way, again, I could keep on using that until I get the real actual TV to make this thing even better. So that's the next step. Let me get the three-sided M tape. So as you see, there's no flickering when it comes to the actual lights. So that means that they're a pretty high quality light. I'm happy about that. I actually have to. There we go. Now I'm satisfied and we're good to go. I'm really happy with the way it came out. And here's a demonstration on using the app to adjust the colors. So we're at blue here, right, green, teal. Got the like white here. So the purplish pink going into blue again. I could just circle all through the, you could desaturate it, you know, it just looks awesome. So as you see, for me, I'm quite happy with the results. It came out fantastic and gives me the ability to really liven up the entertainment area downstairs. I got to do a couple minor adjustments, but overall, I'm really pleased and satisfied with the end result. Guys, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully this video helped you out in possibly doing some modifications to the back of your TV with some LED RGB strips. And till next time, I will see you around. Later.